Now, speaking of Twitter accounts, you can follow, of course, the Superliga Twitter account at Superliga _. There's got to be an underscore at the end. Of course, you can also follow us right here on Solar Sports at Solar Sports. We are the official broadcasting network of the Philippine Superliga Invitational. Combination play now. Joy Cases. That's turned back by Datuin, or according to referee Bongkinki, she did not.
That's right. That's a good call, but a bit delayed for the referee.
So it is still a 1-point lead for the Rising Suns. Of course, Michelle Datuin, one of the most popular players in Superliga. Danica Henrauli. Janela. Semana. Oh, Reyes is there again.
Read well.
Tremendous. Here's Semana. Running attack. Lisa De Ramos. Kept alive. There's Reyes again. Bernal. Janela. Combination. Cases. Reyes is everywhere. Here is Bernal. Janela is also everywhere. Semana. Datuin cannot keep it alive.
And you just love it when every time Jen Reyes digs a ball, she'll scream at everyone to try to just keep it alive.
Right. One moment she's at like zone 3, and the next moment she's at zone 5. So
she's everywhere.
Yeah, she's everywhere. But she really resides in zone 6?
6.
That's her house. And she gets it. Here's Venus Bernal. Here's Reyes again. People have been making a case that, you know, if Signal wins, Reyes should be libero just for showing up. Best player for showing up. Look at that. Reyes keeping it alive. Here's Bernal. And Bernal gets it done. And Jen Reyes can still run a marathon after that.
And I'm sure Jen Reyes could just hug Venus Bernal by not wasting her effort.
Wow. Look at that last play there. Of course, that was a tail end. The heroics of Jen Reyes. Just keeping it alive, but it's still a 1-point lead for the Rising Suns. Jack Janela overcooks the reception this time, and Venus Bernal ties us up.
That's right. You know, Signal, the advantage of Signal right now is they're playing a team sport.
Right.
Everyone's supporting each other.
Tied at 9. Arian Argarin to put it in play. Sharp one. Cases. Semana. Attacking is Cases, and it never went through. So there it is again. Another error against Joy Cases. Let's send it over now to Ricky Flo.
You know, Noel, Jen Reyes is not only doing a solid job for Signal, but she also leads all the players on the floor with most number of hair clips at number 12. Back to you guys.
I'm pretty sure we know where she purchased those. Just a little story, of course, to the fans. We used to call, up to now, we'd probably still call Sheila Pineda the franchise, because Sheila Pineda was the one who first introduced the multitude of hair clips in a volleyball game, and pretty soon everybody caught on. So we have a suspicion that Sheila Pineda is actually the one who sells these clips.
The franchise.
That's why we call her the franchise. Benito will check in. No hair clip for Joy. Oh, she does have one, at least. Hidden. Cases sits down. So Nes Familiar has made the decision now that Cases doesn't have her game on. So Benito comes in. Argarin.
Good serve.
Janela. Semana. Combination. Manzano. Reyes. Argarin. Venus. Wow.
Well, again, that's a good sign for Signal, because Venus Bernal is consistent first and second set.
Well, Venus Bernal does hold the league record for most points in a game with 24. Might be on her way to coming close to that. Timeout for Cagayan Valley.
Relax lang kayo. Ang receive natin, kasi naninigas ka, ginaganon mo. Ganon mo lang, atid mo lang. Ha? Timingan mo lang yung block doon. Mataas ang daan niya di ba? So sabayan, huwag mo sasabayan, timing lang. Tayo malilibang, hindi namamatay, hindi pumipito, huwag tayong titigil. Ha? Sige lang, dalawa, tatlo, ha? Tulong pa.
They need a floor leader right now. Pineda can be it, De Ramos can be it. The thing is, no one is volunteering to be the floor leader right now.
You're right.
And, you know, Signal just comes out of that timeout all smiles. Especially that young lady, Venus Bernal, who is just starting to dominate right now for the HD Spikers. And Arian Argarin has been serving for the last 5 days.
So Argarin has been solid for Signal.
And Argarin sends back an errant volleyball. Janela. Pineda. Manzano off the block. Henrauli. Argarin. Venus. Snuffed out that time by De Ramos. One more time around for Venus. Going over De Ramos. Manzano. Joy Benito. Oh, nicely done by Joy Benito.
That's right, and no amount of shrieking will help Venus Bernal in that play.
At least she showed us some range in her voice.
That's right.
2-point lead now for Signal. Almost a service violation there for Joy Benito rather. Lisa De Ramos. Reyes gets to it. Here's Venus off the block, and De Ramos and Semana got mixed up.
And Venus Bernal again. No, it's nice to see her being consistent from the first set, even here in the second set.
The best time to attack the back row is right after the opposing center serve because the libero isn't there.
Right.
13-10. Datuin. Nice serve. Combination now. Joy Benito. Blocked by Tubino. Semana goes the other way right now. Another block, this time from Venus Bernal.
Well, again, Signal, their defense has been solid, but when you look at their front row, you even wonder.
Yeah.
It's Tubino, Rap Aguilar, and Venus Bernal.
That is just a very strong lineup. Oh, Mitch Datuin. Serve hesitated on that serve. So 14-11 right now. The lead is 3 points. This is not over, of course. Sandra De Los Santos has now rejoined the front line for the Rising Suns. Here's the former San Sebastian Stag. Lady Stag, rather. Joy Benito. Rap. And Rap scores.
That's right. Everyone getting into the act, you know. We're talking about Signal.
Just making it pass through the hands of Jen Manzano that time. 15-11. Venus Bernal back to serve.
I think Venus Bernal is sporting a pair of running shoes.
That could be right. Oh, wow. Janela is a little off on her game today. Those are usually the serves that are easy for her to field. But right now it is a 5-point lead for the HD Spikers. We'll be right back.